Hey y'all, so we are back with another wig review and unboxing, and if y'all didn't know, Shein has wigs, and I know you've all shopped from Shein before or heard of Shein, and yes y'all, they now have human hair wigs. So I got one and we are going to unbox this wig, review it, install it today. So this is the description for the wig that I got. I got their Jerry Curly in 28 inches, 200 density, 13x4 lace front wig. And this is what it looks like when I open up the box. This is the unit and there's a few goodies in here. They gave me this little headband scarf, which is actually really freaking cute to put on your wig. And then they also gave me some wig caps, and they also gave me like a little instruction manual on how to take care of my hair, how to wash it, how to measure it. And they gave me this coupon. So Shein is actually having a March sale. All you have to do is search wig 11 on Shein, and it includes a buy one get one free iconic short style wig. So if y'all are looking for a wig, I would definitely check out this sale. If you buy 2 items, you get to enjoy the second one for 99% off on a low price wig. And use the code WIG24 and they'll give you 8 free gifts. So definitely check that out, y'all, while it's going on for March. And they also have a special selected wig selection with wigs as low as $16.50, y'all. So now y'all, let's jump right into this install. I did bleach and pluck this unit off camera. Bleaching and plucking tutorial will be up on my channel soon, and if you're watching this later, it should be up by now and I'll link it. And I was trying to decide if I wanted to do a side part, and I was looking like that might actually be enough space to do a side part, which is why I made that face. But yeah, so I'm just looking at it again. I kept looking to see, like, do I really want to do that? But anyways, I just went ahead and parted out over here this extra lace and took my scissors and eyebrow razor and cut off any extra lace that I didn't need. So once I got all that extra lace off, I just took my alcohol and my cotton ball and cleaned my hairline because I had a lot of makeup on, and just go ahead and remove that, y'all, because we need to be placing it right on your skin. No oil, no dirt, no makeup, right on your skin. So take that off. Then I'm taking my Even Wonder Lace Bond spray, spraying that all over my hairline, and actually did comb my hair back before putting on this wig just to help it be like kind of clean and not in the way. So I did do that. I should have did that before this step, but you know, you could do it before or after. And then I'm just putting my wig right there where the glue is tacky and pushing it in really good. And then here I am again trying to get this side part together and then parting out where I want my baby hairs. I do want some big dramatic baby hairs for this look, so I did part out quite a lot. And then I took my hot comb and I just hot comb my baby hairs kind of in the direction flat the way I want them to lay. And right there it was a little thick, so I did pluck it a little bit more because we can't be doing no edges that's too thick, y'all. That do not give. And then right here I'm just cutting these baby hairs out my face and putting on this band to let it melt. Then right here, I'm just cleaning up my part and making sure that everything is super duper flat. And now I'm just taking my spray bottle and my brush and wetting this hair down really good, like getting it soaked, drenched, and then detangling it and combing through it really well. And this part just be so satisfying, just watching the hair and the curl pattern and just how pretty it looks when it's wet. I literally love looking at this hair when it's wet. And then I decided that side part was not it, because look how little it was. I don't know why I thought it was going to be enough lace space, but once I actually parted it and then looked at it, I was like, that looks so small. Like, side part wasn't going to work. So I went ahead and switched to the middle part, and look how much deeper it was. Much better. And the curls eating down. Like, the definition is on point, honey. Okay. So right here, I just took off the band and it was giving very much melted, and now I'm just cutting off the lace in a zigzag motion with my eyebrow razor. And then I'm taking my mini curler and just curling up these edges so that they can lay easier and have a cute little curl on them. I gotta do that little dance after every time I finish something, but yeah. Then I took my mousse and I'm just laying this down, y'all, and these edges were so long. I really could have cut them a little shorter now that I'm looking back at it, because it's literally touching my eyebrow. But you know, you could just always go back and cut them later. That's why I always like to cut mine a little longer than shorter, because you could just always clean it up and fix it later. This side was really thick, as you could tell, and I did end up taking some of that hair out because it was just way too thick. And then I took my even lace spray and sprayed it on my hairline again, and that stuff was burning so bad. I wasn't showing it, but that stuff was burning so bad. Y'all, I don't know if I had a cut or what happened between the alcohol and the spray, but it was burning. And then I'm just taking some more mousse right here, flattening out the top of my head, putting it all over my hair and brushing it through to define it. And then we're gonna let this dry. All right, so once the hair is dried, I took off the band, melted, perfection, bomb. And now I'm just brushing out my baby hairs, because I did want like a fluffy baby hair look, kind of to like match the hair. Fluffy curly hair, fluffy curly baby hairs, you know. And then I'm taking my root touch-up spray and just kind of fixing where I might have over bleached some knots. Bomb. And boom, y'all, this is a finished look. Look at the lace. Look at the baby hairs eating down. It looks so natural. And I was honestly very impressed by the quality of this wig for it to be from Shein. Like, the wig was very soft, it's thick, the lace laid down so good, baby hairs are so good, it bleached well, it plucked well. Like, I honestly am very impressed by the Shein quality, y'all. So I definitely would recommend. You heard it here from me. This is my honest truth. Like, I do recommend this hair, y'all. If it was not good hair, I would tell y'all, but this is a good wig from Shein, and I definitely recommend y'all to get this. So make sure you shop the link in my description and shop their March sale, buy one get one free wigs. So again, search wig11 on Shein and use the code wigs24 for extra gifts at checkout. See y'all in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.